Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're looking at Northern Trust, found online at northerntrust.com. Northern Trust is a wealth management and financial services institution offering a comprehensive range of solutions to individuals, families, businesses, and institutions. Their services cover everything from investment management and trust administration to banking and financial planning. Whether you're an individual looking to grow your personal wealth or a large corporation seeking sophisticated financial solutions, Northern Trust aims to provide tailored strategies and personalized service. They offer a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and alternative investments, designed to help clients achieve their specific financial goals. Beyond investment management, Northern Trust provides trust and estate planning services, helping clients protect and transfer their wealth across generations. They also offer private banking services, such as customized lending and deposit solutions. For institutional clients, Northern Trust provides investment management, asset servicing, and other tailored financial solutions. Their global presence allows them to serve clients around the world, providing expertise and resources across different markets and regulatory environments. Navigating the complexities of finance can be challenging, and Northern Trust emphasizes building strong relationships with clients to understand their unique needs and objectives. Their team of experienced professionals works closely with clients to develop and implement strategies that align with their long-term financial aspirations. To explore their offerings in more detail and discover how they can help you achieve your financial goals, be sure to visit their website at northerntrust.com. You'll find additional resources and information about their services, as well as contact information to connect with a representative. Don't hesitate to reach out to them directly to discuss your individual circumstances and discover how Northern Trust can be a valuable partner in your financial journey. Their commitment to client service and their comprehensive range of solutions make them a prominent player in the financial services industry.